What up, yo? Pause this.
For the most part, you got.
I'm watching. What up? Who doing? Catch me on the vlog doing regular shit. So I can't vlog. I'm catching up right now. If I hear my sister, my new child is called A Woman Getting It Done. Crystal, hold on. It's a long one. I like the long ones. I mean, you could do stuff like you could pause it, come back, you know. I'm 34 minutes in, I'm editing and I'm watching and I'm commenting on my phone. I started watching on my phone. I was like, oh, since I'm editing, I can watch it and I can comment on the phone. See, for those of y'all who, you know, talking about, oh, you watch us on the TV, you can't comment. Yes, you can. You could watch us on the TV and you could comment as you watch it on your phone. Open, like I do. I open up the video on my phone. I close it up just to have the comment section. Hold on. Yes, you can. And thumbs up the video. Do it now. Yes. Like, comment, and subscribe. Happy Monday. Snow is not going to be melting, bro. Attempt to pick up some garbage if it's not frozen into the snow. Degrees. On the way into the plantation. I was trying to think if I want to wash my car by the week. I mean, I was like, is this all this snow? Because like, it don't make any sense. We'd be away for the weekend. I'm like, should I wash the car? And then highway driving and all this. It's not like it's outside in the snow, so I'm like, it's not like, you know. I think it's just a waste of money if I wash my car right now. There was some bird poop on the outside. And some. Come on, let it rain. This shit is. When I tell you this shit is crazy, this shit is crazy. Cause this is, you know, because of the snow stopping everything. Like this nigga, I don't know how the fuck he gonna make it through, bro. It's a big old flatbed. This is wild because of the snow. Like, it's this shit is crazy. Regular time, girl, because of the snow and you have to maneuver and all this shit in the traffic, you gotta give yourself extra time. And you would think it just snowed yesterday. How long has this shit been on the ground? Let's go. Wake up. I don't want to beep you. Let's go. I'm gonna turn off here. I don't know if it's a smart thing to do. Everywhere is traffic, so it's like, fuck. Right here is a hot spot. Is this bus turning? No, okay, it's going there. Okay. Because over here, the buses be lined up on this side. And if they open their stop sign, you can't go. So over here be the hot spot. This is what I was kind of concerned. Should I turn here or not?
So much, 'cause I really care too much. It's all just overwhelming, I'm just overthinking. I feel like I'm too much. Keep mistaking my anxiety for intuition.
I'm trying traffic. Cause I ain't trying to sit here. I'm trying to turn into the parking lot. Oh, it is crazy. Alright, it's clear. Good. Oh, Washington wasn't so bad this morning. I mean, a little something, but it's not that crazy oncoming traffic. So I gotta sit here because I will go in a lot. But this vehicle's coming.
Speed camera.
When I tell you I'm sick and tired of this shit, I'm sick and tired of this shit. So get here trying to come around the park where I usually park, or you can't come in. I'm like, why? Oh, because they filming. I forgot they're doing Law and Order. It's ridiculous. Today's just been one of them days. Started off annoying. What up, y'all? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday. I wanted to heat up, man. Like, get rid of all this nasty ass snow. It's just disgusting now, man. It's just mounds of dirty snow. Plantation. Another day of them filming. My supervisor asked me to order something. Loading docked, saying they got no space to put it, but y'all need to work it out. Because he wasn't here by the 11th. Today's okay. This shit is ridiculous, bro. It's ridiculous. It's not 9 o'clock yet. They open at 9. I gotta place this order. What up, y'all? Good morning. Hold on. I'm trying to what I want to listen to. All right. Walk like a prom dress. I didn't wear a hat today. It wasn't that somebody parked in my spot. When I came in, I reversed into a spot, so I gotta be careful because I'm on ice. Oh God, it's been a good day. Let's go pick up my boo. It's the devil. I'm glad I kept the auto start on, because honey, who know these winters was coming? On my phone. Alright. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Never 41 degrees, all right, but still ain't warm enough to melt all this shit. Okay, so I'm gonna wash the car this weekend, Valentine's weekend. Hold on, there she comes. Wash the car Friday before we head out. Oh, let me reverse. I'm gonna reverse. I forgot there's snow. She can't get in, so I have to reverse the car so she can get in the car.
Hi.
Hey. Pick up something to eat. Head in. I'm ready to put it in the air. Shout out to JK Distro. I'm trying to think what I want to have tonight. There's so many choices. Time to get a little woohoo.
Eyes half closed, laugh in my throat. I'm talking slow, but I feel so cool. I'm a little ho-ho, yeah. Eyes on my shirt, head in the room. Words spin around me, tilt like the moon. I'm a little ho-ho-ho. Clouds on my chest, time moving smooth. You can see it in my grin, that's the truth. I'm a little ho-ho.